Everybody, we need control others animals now.
Oh, let's go, Raptors! And you too! Let's go! This is operations! Come on! Go!
What are you?
I'll go with all these you. I will pet. You're my pet now. I will call you Farco. You're the Farco. Oh yeah, Farco. You go stay with me. Go into my head. Now we're friends now. Well, guys, how are you going? Good. Well, I forgot about it. Like I thought, you go change that. I don't care.
I know it is not your.
Well, guys, what? How are you going? How are you going good? How are you going? How are you going good? Then, Fancy, we have to fix this helicopter. Can you help me now? Oh, sure. Why not? We have to face this. Come on, face this. Well, what are you doing here, Microraptor? What are you doing here? Now I'll go pet you. Now you're my pet now. Okay, you go with me. You go with me. Go to my head. Now we are friends now. Ah, sorry. Now we friends now. What?
The generator.
Wait.
Turning off.
No. Where's go? Oh no, the lights. Oh no, somebody who's turned off. Where? I can't see nothing. But I can see. I can see, guys.
Me neither.
Wait. I think we need the flashlight. Where's the flashlight?
Where's the lantern?
Don't know, guys. Something. What happened? The Gingidora he destroyed the generator and here in Puerto Rico because Gingidora he's back. He called others more titans and mythical creatures in Greek mythology too. I don't know. Wait, is that the wait, is that Ryan? Hey Ryan, get down here. Get down here, Ryan. Get down here. Get down. Where's my Velociraptor Red? Wait. I didn't Red Junior go come back. His father. Wait. Red Junior, what happened? What happened? What, Red Junior? What? Your father got attacked by Gingidora? What? No. Let me see him. Red? Red, what happened? What happened to you? No. Red, are you okay? You're not dead? Oh, finally, thank God. You're still alive. Oh my God, what happened to you outside? You got power? You got superpower? Are they your berserk animal yet? Well, you are. Guys, take him to a medical. Take him now. Don't worry, number one, I go take him. Oh my God. Oh my God, there's no generator. You know what? Black Leg Grandma Freddy? We have to find the power.
I tell you, we had to turn off. Where you going? We have to give Arika monster medicine. Oh no, Number Bunny and Black Eye Grandma Freddy, where you go? You go to your brother's room. We have to give in the Arika Raptor medicine. Ow!
Stop!
Grandma Freddy, get away! Get away!
Stop! Freaking jerks!
You need to chill out now.
Stop!
You Black Eye and Black
Stop!
Eye.
Freaking jerks! Freaking animals! Freaking jerks! Stop!
Put your pepperoni out.
Stop!
Ow!
Stop! You're freaking based up! And you go do you attack the others medicine of Arika Raptor?
If I see he's hairy, he's not gonna get fat anymore. No, the Black Eye Fuzzy, he's hairy. The Black Eye Fuzzy hairy, he gonna get him fat.
No, it don't.
No, the hairy,
Stop.
the hairy gonna get you fat.
Why does it keep crashing? Why does it keep crashing?
Nobody like medicine. Oh my God, that hurts. But guys, stop fighting. Stop fighting. You know what? I'm leaving. Goodbye, Black Eye, Grandma Freddy. No, get over here. Get over here, Black Eye. First, go get mad at you. Get over here. Oh my God. Black Eye Fuzzy, stay here. You tell him to stop. Black Eye Grandma Freddy. Hey, stop!
It's because you keep talking. You never shut up every time.
Stop!
No, you're not. Nobody.
Stop! Give me the other's medicine now. What are you doing? What are you doing? The needle. Oh my God! He's got the needle. But Number Bunny, what are you doing? Wait. What if I go jump and I go jump in destruction to bring power back? We whoosh! Oh, he works. Now he works. Now he's back on. Now finally, now he's back on. I had to check my Velociraptor and he's be okay. I want to see him.